Hello friend, this is new product. I will review details this product. Commission Made Simple. Set way to make money online. Take advance of 2.3 million daily user. No creating offer. You do not have to sell or worry about customer service. You either part of this $6.8 billion game or not. People are singing 220 per day. Get in or it not before it too late. A lot of info about this product. If you can buy this product, click my video description. Inside CMS, you will be given information that has been sold for % of dollar already, but you will be give a chance in a lifetime to learn what the top vendor and affiliate know. How much longer are you going to wait while rather cashing in on this insert opportunity? Launching in 2 hours and 24 minutes. What we are getting? Access to step-by-step tutorial on how to become a certain affiliate marketer using tools that you do not even know where tools, but this time they are going to work in your favor. You will be receive template to make your life easier. You will be gift 15 different plus digital product you can use to your advantage to ensure your knowledge and get more commission. I will show you how to get notified in the scriptless called your tube. It's not that it's beneficial when you know exactly what you are doing. A lot of info about this product. If you can buy this product, click my video description. Introducing CommissionsMadeSimple, the world's most simplest way to make money using YouTube and free traffic. Don't miss out of this win. If we are looking to do a 180 in your life, this is the course for you. This world is going strange digital when I come down to cash. Call me Larry if you want. I totally see the future and where it's heading. That's why I had to hop into the game to making money online. The digital maker in here, and it's had to study people or your about the shirt. I am too much a good person to just tell my knowledge to do words when I know it's cool. Really change something else life. I am not going to help you. I used to be like, you are going to sell my idea of do not copy me. So children, to me I know I am not long hair lol. When I come to realize that sharing your knowledge and your skill is better than keeping them packets inside your hunting doors. I was drawn to share and touch because someone that don't took time out their day to help model me and saves me from this person you see today. If I can learn something different, it's going to change my life for the better. Why not give it a try? It's your life. If you want different result, you have to do something you never did before. I am here to help people like me. How see the blogger picture? I do not want to make more money because I want nice thing. I want to make more money so I can touch my family, your family, and generation to come. I know it may sound corny to come frog to life. Without drum is not a life to me. Well, in my opinion, if we are ready to step playing your life as if it was a game, like you have multiple lives to serve, verb, come, holler at your girl, clears, and im Renek who commission makes simple in brought to you by. A lot of info about this product. If you can buy this product, click my video description. Clear and affiliate marketer, entrepreneur and content creator. Here goals is to help people just like her who is ready to turn their life around by sharing an online business. Today, she will be showing her method and technique it has used to create profit online. Imgranually learn and agree. I am Arina who is an affiliate marketer. Interplayer is a Google Ads sense. She loves helping people make money and or increase profit online. Today she is going to show you some strategies she used to increase the sell online. I will review details this product and already played a review this product. A lot of info about this product. Click my video description. Thank you so much. Thank you all.